Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today is a rainy day and it's going to be actually a very interesting day because I'll be tagging you guys along with me to go to the spring 2025 motorcycle show. I've already been to the first two motorcycle shows of the year, but unfortunately I didn't get a chance to record the experience. But I wanted to take you guys along to the spring show. Hopefully we can get to see some nice bikes over there, and we'll also explore some vendors over there as well to see if we can find some great deals. So let's not waste any time and hit the road. So we made it to the show. It was extremely difficult to find parking here, as it's not only the bike show that's taking place today, it's actually the international boat show as well. This international center, it actually has like multiple entrances, like I believe it's 1 to 6 or 1 to 7. So I believe from entrance 3 to 4 they're hosting the boat show, and I think we have to go through entrance 1. So without wasting time, I'm going to put on my jacket as it is raining outside, so I'm going to be running inside. So let's go. All right guys, we made it to the entrance 1 where the motorcycle show is taking place. All right guys, we got our tickets, so it's time to make our way inside. The very first booth that we have here is for Suzuki, and right beside we have Kawasaki. So we're going to get started with Suzuki here first. We have a beautiful Gixxer 600. That's a very unique color scheme. On the Kawasaki corner, we have some beautiful bikes, starting with the ZH2. Here we have the beautiful Hayabusa with a full system, and it has the Acra. Right beside it is the 2014 ZX14. It's a ZX14 double R, currently rocking a Two Brothers exhaust system, and I believe it's a dual exhaust system. Yeah. Guys, there's lots of vendors here, so let's make our way to Rider's Choice and see what they have to offer today. So this section of the show, it actually has all the classic bikes. So I'll show you guys around here as well. They have some really interesting bikes here. They have here, it's a 1969 Honda CBR 750. Guys, check this one out here. This is a Yamaha 400. It's actually a 1977 model. Wow. Wow, for a 2004 Suzuki Gixxer 750. Oh, I actually like it. It has some carbon fiber going over here. Even the panel over here is carbon fiber. Beautiful, beautiful. They've done an amazing job on this bike. Right beside it is the Kawasaki KZ900, which is a 1976 model. Guys, every year I go to the bike show, this bike is always here. It's a 2001 Hayabusa. It's white and gold. Currently rocking a dual Voodoo exhaust configuration with a single swing arm. Guys, this specific vendor here, they have a lot of good stuff, but one thing that really stood out to me is their tires. They have some good deals going on for the Pirelli Rosso 4s. So let me see if I can make a deal with them, because I do need tires for the track. Guys, on this corner of the bike show, they have all the folks that are selling their private bikes. So they have a couple of bikes on sale as well. This is a 1983 Honda CB 1100F. Kawasaki 900. This is a 1995 VFR 750. And this right here is the Honda CL 175 1968 model. Look at this beauty. Alright guys, so something interesting. Today we also get free access to the boat show as well. I'm so glad that I got access to come here today. I mean, look at this beauty over here. Oh my god. I don't know what kind of a speedboat this is, but oh my god, this thing is a freaking rocket. Halton Police is actually showcasing their setup for their truck here and their speedboat. So this is a reminder, don't fish without your license. This is a very nice sailboat. This is really cool. This is a nice seating area here. These are all foldable as well, so people can eat here. And another mattress here. One person or two people can even fit in here. Very nice. This thing is like a mini apartment. Oh, there's another room here. Very cool. And you get a little window. Alright guys, so we're all done with the bike show. It's currently 6:45 and the bike show closes at 7 p.m. today. It was actually the first day for the bike show and tomorrow is the last day, which is the Sunday. I had surely had a lot of fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I ended up purchasing a set of tires for the track. The ones I decided to go with was the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4s. And I heard they're amazing on the track. I actually also picked up a set for my brother, so we're surely gonna have a killer track season. Once again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.